beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to be talking about something which is very different, that is charcoal wax. I know charcoal masks have been trending on YouTube since a very long time, so I thought why not try charcoal wax, and I found it out on the internet and there were several benefits of this wax which really attracted me and which I find were super appealing. So guys, the first thing is it is specially curated for people who have acne prone skin and who even have clogged pores. So sometimes we all know that the hair removal processes we go through, like the waxing or the razor, or it might cause certain damage to the skin, so it even leaves the spots behind, and also the cherry spot legs. Guys, I find it very great. It just make me cringe sometimes. So what I'm gonna do is, it has so many benefits. I am gonna review this entirely, and we are gonna talk about its benefit and what I think about it. For that, we are quickly need to get into the video, guys. And also, if you're someone who isn't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it would mean everything to me. So let's quickly dive into the video. So guys, this is the charcoal wax which I'm gonna use, and this is from the company called as B1, and this is something I ordered from Amazon. This is not a sponsored video, guys. And before ordering this, I read the benefits, and there were ample amount of benefits this wax has. It helps in purifying your pores. If you're someone who has clogged pores on the legs like I have, then you can definitely go for this one. And I'm gonna try it out and show you guys the results in the end for sure. And this is gonna be enough for both my legs, and I have heated it. Just make sure that it's not even that heated that it can burn your skin. After that, I'm gonna apply this on my entire leg with the help of a spatula, and I'm gonna make the layer very thick so that it can take out all the hair in single go. And it is also said that it helps in removing your clogged pores, any dirt and impurities you have. And this is not a painless, guys. The wax is not painless, so it is gonna pain. I had pretty much of hair growth on my legs, as you can already see for yourself. Then I was prepared for the amount of pain it was gonna give me. So just apply this and then stretch your skin a little and rip it off. You'll be able to see a glow in your skin because it helps in purifying your pores. And just make sure that if you're someone who has lots and lots of hair growth, then make sure that you're applying some talcum powder beforehand as well. That makes the process a little bit easier. And after that, the same thing I'm gonna do. The only thing which I do not like about this wax was once you heat it, and if you heat it for the second time, it is not gonna be that smooth. So as you guys can see, it wasn't smooth at all in the second go. So just make sure that you're taking it the enough quantity, like you can use it, and otherwise if you're gonna heat it again, it is not gonna be so useful. But I used it again because it helps in removing all the hair in a single go, and I was making sure that every time I was doing it, I was applying a thick layer of this wax because charcoal also has so many benefits. It is best for acne prone skin. If you're someone who gets zits all over your body, once you get it waxed, then it is going to be a good alternative because it helps in preventing that. And the same thing I'm gonna do on the other part of my leg as well, and you guys can immediately see for yourself. It helps in cleaning your skin inside out and gives you immediate glow. And I was very impressed the way it was working out. And this is a part of my leg, guys, where I have clogged pores, like my skin tends to get clogged here with that little black thing, and it helped in removing that. So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you find it helpful. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you still have any queries, I hope that I have pretty much covered everything. If you still have any queries, just let me know in the comments down below. I would love to answer it for you guys. The links to my social media are given in the description box below. I would love to connect to you guys if you have anything to talk about. And I hope you know the drill. Click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.